9693, pursuit.
9693, where's your 1020?
We are eastbound on 16th Street from Post Road, Blue Olds, approaching Franklin, just throughout all the money, right there from the school guys. Stop.
Signal 100 declared reference 9693 in pursuit. 9693, can you advise condition?
Eastbound approaching Franklin.
Advise conditions and speeds?
Yeah, we're southbound Franklin. Light traffic, moderate. Occupied 2 times.
Clear.
Southbound on Franklin from 13th. 97K's lead car. Southbound from 10th Street.
Clear.
Metro dispatch, get Metro.
On the phone with them. Do you have 1020?
Washington Street. Traffic moderate. Speeds 70.
I've got it, but I don't have it right now. It's in, one of the DES guys has it.
Now Franklin. Approaching, I believe it's going to be, hold on a second. Still southbound Franklin.
J. John 598713.
Clear, what's the reason for the pursuit?
Narcotics. Passing English, southbound. No traffic, southbound. There's a few traffic northbound, but it's moderate. Approaching Brookville Road.
Railroad track, he's going to go airborne.
Approaching Brookville. Eastbound Brookville.
Clear eastbound Brookville from Franklin.
Westbound on Brookville. Westbound on Brookville.
Westbound.
Westbound Brookville, passing Brookville crossings. Still westbound, passing the interstate. Westbound, passing Kitley, or approaching Kitley, Minneapolis. Speeds are about 75, 80. No traffic right now. Passing Kitley, approaching Arlington.
Clear.
Minneapolis, do we got Metro?
Clear.
1050, start me at 1052 immediately, please.
Where are they 1050 at?
Arlington. We got one car, one Golf. Stand by.
Officer 212, I'll start their way. Clear.
245 from Keystone.
Clear.
What was 1020?
Brookville and Arlington.
Okay, stand by, Indianapolis. Indianapolis, 52, 246, on 1023.
46.
21, 1053.
Come on.
Stand by. To 8555 south of Milwaukee Drive on an animal problem.
Okay. I'll mark back to the service. I'll be 10-8.
Clear.
93 Annapolis, you have traffic.
25. Stand by, we got him at gunpoint.
We have 170.
Control 275.
275.
If you could close out the call on Lakeside, please.
Clear.
52246.
246.
We got the driver out, passengers in traffic. We're trying to put the fire out right now.
Clear.
Indianapolis 9641, I'm 1023. You guys got an H-tool.
Indianapolis 9610, we're going to need multiple medics here.
Indianapolis 97K, get us a ambulance here as fast as they can with a jaws of life to cut this door open because the vehicle's on fire and he's stuck.
Clear, seems secure for him to approach now.
Insecure, we've got him in custody, but the passenger's trapped with his leg and the car's on fire.
Clear.
Passenger doesn't have a pulse at this point either.
Clear.
Go ahead and keep more additional units rolling too. We've got a huge crowd over here. 243's in the crowd.
243.
232 is almost there. 225 in now.
225.
Indianapolis 52 to 45, 1023.
45.
JL ending mileage when ready.
Go ahead.
30921. 30921.
30921, clear.
Start clearing people from the scene.
52 245 Annapolis.
Medic 22. Medic 22 transport, got someone.
1926.
52 245 and 680. Anyways, if you need Metro to assist with crowd control.
Negative, we have enough units here now to include Metro.
Clear.
Indianapolis, we have medics right behind me. We're westbound for Bill from 465.
Clear.
IFD 1023.
5297K Annapolis. Can you guys have a unit stopped out and pick up the article they threw out at 16th and Post?
Now, 52, you can advise any units on the scene if you need a reconstruction, it's en route.
Any unit on San Arlington and Brookville, can you advise?
Let's start on this location and a supervisor if we don't have any already en route.
5212 is around.
Indianapolis 97K, you're going to need to send out a reconstructionist as well, please.
We're working on that.
Indianapolis 5232 medics on scene, medic 42, box 0302, 0302.
Indianapolis 52 to 45, those units here, they can go ahead and slow their run. We have a lot of presence here.
245.
Does anybody need to be en route to post in 16th?
Indianapolis 52 227. I'm at 69 and 465. I'm going to head to 16th post if needed.
Clear, we're going to see if we can get Metro out there.
Control 110.
110, go ahead.
Traffic stop on Main Street, just south of 252, Indiana Godly Press, X-Ray John, Robert 711, on a great force.
Clear.
Indianapolis 224, en route to 16th and Post, look for the article as well.
224.
Indianapolis 52 to 45, just 1043, we pushed all the civilians out of there, we established a perimeter.
245.
Control 110, if you can make this an offense.
Clear.
10 unit, another unit.
Don't believe so at this time, have unrestrained children.